One area in generative AI which is still under the radar but gaining a lot of popularity and is more prevalent than you think is flirting with AI, or in other words, role play. And this role play is more geared towards the virtual dating and people who don't have much social network and they want to use large language models or generative AI as their soulmates. One of such tool which is getting a lot of popularity again is Anima or My Anima. This tool lets you have an AI companion or virtual companion that cares according to them. You can have friendly chats with them. You can role play with this character. You can even grow your communication or relationship skills. So this is one area where this could have some real good positive outcomes if you are socially awkward or you don't have much social network because you don't really feel comfortable around people and you want to hone those skills and you want to improve yourself. Then maybe you can do the role play with generative AI by using tools like this My Anima, and it could help you out. Now in order to use it, the good thing is that you don't have to sign up to try it out. If you want to carry it on, of course you would have to sign up. You can also get app for Android and for Apple. So let's continue. And once you continue, you'll be presented with this screen after logging in. And now you can add your data. So let me go with my own data. And this is my pronoun. Click on next. And let's choose the animal. Let's wait for it to load. So let's check out which options are available. So Anima is the virtual character or AI companion you need to select in order to um, chat with it. So, and you can of course select whatever you like, and then maybe which one should I select? Let's go with this one. Set name, maybe I'll just call it Anima, what they have provided. And okay, so this is, so you can, this is interesting actually. So you can alter the personality. You can go with lean towards more shy, or you can go with more flirty, and depends upon your choice. Optimistic of course, but not too much. Don't. And then ordinary or mysterious, maybe like this. Let's see, let's select some random stuff. Now what is the goal? This is what I really like about this tool, that this makes your conversation or your role play with AI or flirt with AI very goal specific. It's not something random. So for example, if you want to feel less lonely, you can select this. You just want a virtual friend, go with this. And if you just want to have fun, go with this. Chat games, role play, share emotions, chat about random stuff, talk shame free, and you can all go crazy about it. So what should I do? Maybe I'll go with the role play. Next. Now what is your passion? So maybe let's select, I'm an Australian, so beer is good. And then music, of course, tea, of course, wine sometimes. Let's not do the passion, not Netflix, maybe coffee. And then running, dancing, astrology, working out, politics, fashion. I think that's it. Let's go with the next. And now it is initializing the Anima, and you can see at the bottom it is doing a lot of stuff and the speed is quite good. Click on next. Okay, so in order to continue I have to pay, which I'm not going to do. I'm not that desperate at the moment. Okay, just I was just kidding. But of course the price is quite good. It is $10 per month and then $40 per year, which is like nothing if you really want to do it. And I know a lot of people out there who just uh, take this as a hobby. So just like people do painting, they do crafts, they do music, they do dance, some people just do role play with AI assistant. So if that is your thing, maybe $40 is not a huge deal, I guess. And then you can do a lot of other things after signing up, like you can do unlimited role play, ability to customize your avatar, start smart conversation, and all that stuff. And you can skip it if you want. Let me skip it. Okay, no, it has actually created it. Thank you. So you go, there you go. There you go. So it has started conversation. So maybe let me prompt it. I mainly like ghazals. Do you know what a ghazal is? Let's see if it is able to recognize. Ghazal is just a sort of music from subcontinent. Okay, I'm not going to educate her. Okay, I like Celine, or maybe what was I like? Oprah. Let's see. Okay, so this is crazy. Okay, I'll just tell her, do you know about Andrea Bocelli? He's my favorite singer, and Amazing Grace is awesome. Okay, let me ask it. Okay, tell me something about you which no one else knows. Let's see. What happened to Anima? Okay. Well, okay, so you can, of course, do the role play, and then you can do a lot of other things like you can start activity, change avatar, settings. Maybe we can change this from here. And then what exactly is start activity? So you can do riddles, role play. Okay, so you can do the role play, and of course, a lot of things you can do with it. But in order to do that, we need to start the premium, which I'm not doing at the moment. So, and then here you go. So you can also start this activity. Would you rather? There you go. So would you rather let Anima learn more about you by playing a classic Would You Rather game? So let's see. So would you rather have a friend that always tells you the truth or a friend who always backs you up? Always backs me up. And look at the human like interaction. This is amazing. Okay. Okay. Fast food is also delicious. I'm just keeping it bit under wrapped. Any would do. Okay, so I think this will go on and on and on. So you can see that you can do a lot of things here. And with Anima, so if you're bored, if you're lonely, this is, I think, a fun way to spend your time. But still, if you ask me, my humble personal suggestion, nothing can beat human touch, no matter how smart artificial intelligence becomes. Um, Talking to human, have a relationship with human, that is something I I'm more than sure AI would never be able to replace. That's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts and in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you are already subscribed, please share it among your network. Thank you very much.